Yes, hold on, my brethren. I want to say something. Stick a pin. Stick a whole heap of pin, Rasta. Oh, a lot of man, me want know for fear fact. Why a man a go cut off a woman head? I don't care if she give you that something there, no Rasta. Cause guess what? I know you're something she give you, no, my brethren. Why you go cut off her head? A fear head, I cut off a fear thing. She don't look good, Rasta. Don't come like say. You see a little youth. You see a little youth that walk with him sweet. You kick up that little youth and take away him sweet in, no Rasta. It don't look good. So what to know? Now eat that. You cut off a woman head for what? What? No fear something she give away. She go left your Rasta. Make she go on. What? Yeah, eat that. Yeah, cut off it and I go like say, boy, oh, she left Ray. What? You born tomorrow, Rasta? Calm yourself. What? Look what time you give it that something that when she give it, you feel like say you fi cut off fear head. She fi cut off your tallywhack and go to the bridge now. Yo, Rasta. Ease yourself. You fi dead. You boy should hang by your neck until you're sensible. Cause it appear you won't be sensible until you're dead. You understand? Hang by the neck or by your balls. Yeah, yeah. Alright.